Hey guys, it's Molly. I had some leftover paint from a class that I had had, and I kept wondering, what am I going to do with this pile of paint? So there really was no specific way that it was layered. I just kind of dropped everything in that I had left over. But I wanted to do kind of wrecking a ring pour. So I had done some earlier that were wrecking an air swipe, and it came out with really cool lines. So I thought, let me just, use a small canvas to start, pour some paint on there in a ring pour, and then kind of run a design through it and see what comes out. I'm sure other people have done this before, but I just wanted to try it out myself. So I'm just gonna get you down on the canvas and get started. This will be a little quickie for tonight. All right, hey guys. I had this idea in my head for a while, but I'm just gonna get pouring. Ooh, I saw a couple lumps in there. I'm just gonna pour a little stack here in the center. I'm calling this one Wrecking a Ring Pour. So I'm just gonna pour. I've layered my paints into my cup. And I'm just gonna pour this out. It's probably gonna be too much paint, but it was a little bit of leftover paint that I had. I really like the colors though. It's really pretty. I put the white under there just to help it glide a little bit. But you definitely don't need it under there. So I'm using my thicker consistency paints. I don't even really need it to come all the way out. And it doesn't matter what the middle looks like today, because I'm gonna be, oh my God, wow, it's really pretty the way that it is. Let me grab my torch so that I can pop some air bubbles. You don't want the air bubbles? Let it sit for a little while. Okay, so my thought was, I'm going to wreck this thing and see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna tilt. I figured I would just get some really pretty designs. Way too much paint, but I can save those for skins. Oh my gosh, I love it. All my little corners. Okay, so I needed to use way less paint, duh. But like I said, it was what I had left over. Still a couple more air bubbles that I can see are popping in there, which are gonna create some of those little lines. But let me take you down and show you. Look at all those beautiful, intricate lines that are there. I had done a pour like this earlier that was wrecking an air swipe. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. So I had done one earlier that was wrecking an air swipe, and I just wanted to try it on a ring pour. I'm sure the ring pour would have come out beautiful in its own right. But I'm just trying new things, playing around. Gosh, look at that. That is beautiful right there. Look at that little swirl. Wow. I really like this. This has application like when you're doing another pour, to do this as a background or to do this on the side of it. The little white dots, I should have waited. I got excited. I should have waited for all my air bubbles to pop. Wow, that's my favorite part right there. But all right, you guys, let me know. That's really pretty too right there. I love it. Well, you guys let me know what you think. Just a little quickie for today. And I'm definitely going to play around with this technique because, man, did it give some gorgeous lines. All right, you guys. Thanks for watching. Happy painting.